A CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the primary component of a computer system that executes instructions of a computer program. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer, as it is responsible for performing all of the necessary calculations and logical operations required by a program. The CPU is made up of several components, including the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and registers. The control unit is responsible for fetching instructions from memory, decoding them, and then coordinating the operation of the other components. The arithmetic logic unit performs all of the arithmetic and logical operations required by the program, such as addition, subtraction, and comparison. Registers are small storage areas that hold data temporarily while it is being processed by the CPU. The CPU operates by executing a sequence of instructions which are stored in memory. Each instruction tells the CPU to perform a specific operation, such as adding two numbers or comparing two values. The CPU fetches the instructions from memory, decodes them, and then executes them using the arithmetic logic unit and registers. This process continues until the program has been fully executed. The performance of a CPU is measured in terms of clock speed, which is the number of instructions that the CPU can execute per second. The higher the clock speed, the faster the CPU can process data. Modern CPUs also often have multiple cores, allowing them to execute multiple instructions simultaneously, further increasing their processing power.